The US is gearing up for a week of wild weather. On Tuesday, December 13th, heavy snow and gusty winds hit the plains of western South Dakota. Wind gusts exceed 50 miles per hour, especially on the open plains. Most of the state is affected by high winds and precipitation, although the pattern is not the same across the state. The South Dakota Department of Transportation said freezing rain, heavy snowfall, and strong winds led to the closure of a number of roads. In particular, the I-90 highway west of Chamberlain was closed. Many other state highways have a no-ride advisory. The National Weather Service issued a blizzard warning for some areas until Thursday morning. The storm system is gradually moving eastward. After this storm passes, it will become very cold, especially towards the end of the weekend.